Cleaning's never really been something that I've given that much thought over. I've always appreciated being tidy, and I found it easier to be tidy through minimalism. But I've been struck by a bolt of lightning, a bolt of cleaning lightning. That's right, cleaning lightning. It looked 10 times better when I was writing it down. A bolt of... Anyway, I blame it all down to this little book here. A Monk's Guide to a Clean House and Mind. It's small, it doesn't involve many words, but it packs a punch. I've understood quite easily and quickly exactly what this young Buddhist monk, Shuke Matsumoto, is trying to carefully explain. And it's not just some technique that I could try that might fulfill some motivation to help me clean more, but I feel like it's the actual truth about the order of all things. It sounds kind of profound. It's a very short book and it mainly is about cleaning. The way it talks about it, it's very enlightening. Damn you, train! Never read a book before and put the words into action as quickly as I have with this little book. I'd read about 3 pages and I had this urge to clean. I was seeing things that needed cleaning that I wouldn't usually notice, and I wanted to treat my home like a temple. That wasn't my line. He just says it in the book quite a few times and I really liked it. There was definitely something about the way the book was written, the small amount of description, that made me want to put the words into action pretty instantly. Okay, so I'm not going around trying to clean my girlfriend's face, but I have definitely been encouraged to try and clean more than I usually would, and to look out for it more as well. The other day, I caught myself trying to clean between the fridge and the draining board, and do you know how much I enjoyed it?
A lot.
A lot. I think my instant connection to the book was heightened by the repeated point that your house is an allegory for your body. So keep cleaning it every day like you would your body, which I found I can instantly relate to. What I like is he doesn't just liken cleaning to being something that can improve your mood and well-being. He describes it like it's a direct line to cleaning your soul. And I don't know about you, but that makes my heart feel very alive. I'm finding this new approach refreshing in tapping into the action of cleaning in a different way. The frustration of having to clean is gone. You know, when you have the frustration during cleaning, like it's just in the way of the thing that you feel like you really need to be doing. It's like I'd always only have one foot in and the other foot would still be on the thing that I really wanted to be doing instead. Like if I was so vague over cleaning, then it'd almost be like I wasn't even doing it at all, and the whole process would hopefully be over faster. For example, as a physical difference, I've noticed that I'm standing up straight while doing the washing up instead of being at a slight slant like I always used to. It's almost like I'm allowing myself to properly be there and focus on the actual positive effects that being there and cleaning things is having on me. The decluttering, the unhazing, the freeing. I feel like if I'm cleaning just to get through it, then I can't experience that. But in slowing it down and in treating objects with a kind of divine respect, then it feels like I'm not just cleaning things, but I'm cleaning my heart. Okay, so that might be going just a little bit far, but I can feel myself getting there. In letting myself take part in the process, I can feel genuine enjoyment in it. And in more ways than one, from the action and from the feeling it creates. There is more happening than cleaning for the sake of something looking tidy. It's a reflection on how you want to treat yourself and treat the things around you. it's helped my creativity too. There's a fogginess that is lifted from the mind, a polished glass-like clearness, which makes me feel more readily creative. It's a feeling that I get from being minimal, but that feeling's been deepened to look after the things that are still there.
It's true.
Does my heart and soul feel cleansed? I feel like I've unlocked something. I don't feel like I'll dust the floor or the skirting board and feel like that will be enough. But I've opened up a dialogue between my house and body. There's more of a connection there now. I at least know that one influences the other, and I want to keep them both very happy. And I reckon I can take a lot of comfort that that doesn't end. There's always things to clean in your house, and there's always a platform there where I can put true work into to dust off the cobwebs of the mind. So yeah, I like the effect it's had on my soul, and the extra things I've learned in being able to create a more peaceful and creative atmosphere, which is important. I like the fact that I realised how much more important atmosphere is to the mind and body. It's just deepened that understanding a bit more, which is great.